In this tutorial I will show you how to create these creative sushi poster design step by step in Adobe Photoshop. Copy these overall settings and create new document of 2000 by 2500 pixels. From Fill or Adjustments select Solid Color. Copy this hex code for background color. Then from View select Guides, then New Guide Layout. Copy these guide settings. Then select Rectangle tool. Left-click to insert its sizes. Copy this rectangle size. Place it accordingly at bottom. Double-click on Layer to enable Layer Style. From Layer Style enable Gradient Overlay. Follow and copy these hex codes for gradient color. Copy these settings as well. Then from File place Overlay Image. To download these images, link is provided in description, check it out. From Blend Mode select Color Burn. Keep opacity to around 80%. And fill to around 75%. Then select Type tool. Left-click to place text. From Properties copy font style and text settings. Copy this hex code for text color. Type sushi text here. Position it accordingly. Then hold Alt key, left click and drag to make a copy of text. Select the text and from Properties change text color using eyedropper tool. Or else copy this hex code. Select both text layers and group them. Name it as Sushi. Again place text. Go to Properties. Copy this font style and text settings. Type better text here. Position it accordingly. Double-click on text layer to enable layer style. From layer style enable gradient overlay. Gradient colors will remain same as used in rectangle shape. Change angle to 95 degree. Leftover setup will remain same. Again place text. From Properties font style will remain same. Change text size to 18 points. Change text color using eyedropper tool. Or else copy this hex code. Type fresh and flavor in every piece text here. Position it accordingly. Then from File place Food Plate image. Position it accordingly in center. Double-click on Image Layer to enable Layer Style. From Layer Style enable Drop Shadow. Copy this hex code for drop shadow color. Follow and copy these overall settings as well. Then place lantern image. Resize it accordingly. From top panel set angle to 4.7 degree. Position it accordingly in left top corner. Double-click on Layer to enable Layer Style. Enable Drop Shadow. Copy this hex code for drop shadow color. Follow and copy these overall settings as well. Select lantern below layer and add new layer. Name it as glow. Then select brush tool. Hold Alt key and left click to enable eyedropper tool. Set the brush accordingly and create glow effect. Make a copy of lantern, place it accordingly in right bottom and follow the same steps as earlier. Change angle to -7.3. Select glow layer and add glow effect using brush tool. Select all related layers using Shift key and group them. Name it as lantern. Then place Shape 1 image. Place it on left side of food plate. Hold Alt key left click and drag to make a copy and add shape to the right side of food plate. Then place Shape 2. Position it in right top corner. Select all shape layers using Shift key and group them. Name it as Shapes. Then select Type tool. Left click to place the text. From Properties copy font style and text settings. Copy this hex code for text color. Type website text here. Position it accordingly at mid-bottom. Then place social icons. Resize it using Alt key. Place it above website text. Hold Alt key and left click on layer to enable selection. From Fill or Adjustments select Solid Color. Select color using eyedropper tool. Or else copy this hex code. Delete icon's image layer. Select both related layers and group them. Name it as website. Then from View select Guides, then Clear Guides. Lastly, select top layer and press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E key to create merged layer. Name it as Final. This is the final result. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel for more related stuff like these. Don't forget to enable bell icon to get notified when I upload new tutorials. Also follow me on my social media handles to stay connected. Thank you.